Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to Kids Python Challenge. Today is lesson 9, I think. Okay, let's continue our work. Okay, so where were we last time? So addition game 2. So we did some good things. We repeated 5 times of addition of up to 100 or 99, I should say, and then count the correct numbers, correct answers, and print the score at the end. Homework was write in a more friendly way especially when you make a wrong answer. Okay, let's continue. By the way, I forgot to show this message to you last time. So we will start to draw graphics later on today. Okay, let's just finish our homework. So, okay, file, open, and ex1. So, and let's connect and go down to the last one. So here, okay, let's check that. So we have 5 problems, for example, up to say, okay, 25, 30 plus 20. Okay, and maybe, for example, we can delete this. When it is correct, you can additionally write that correct x plus y equals v, x plus y, so that we can reuse it. Okay, so, and the answer is wrong. Instead of this, maybe we can write this. Okay, we can just write this. Seems a little friendly. Okay, wrong. X plus y equals like that. Shall we also, yeah, okay, let's try this. So, okay, 19 plus 11. Okay, let's call it 30. Correct. 17 plus 14. Wrong answer. 999. Wrong is maybe, okay, I will change this. Wrong. How about this one? V. Okay, this seems fine. Okay, so when you make mistakes like 91, wrong. 3 plus 12 equals 15, not 99. Okay, 18. Correct. 15 plus 17, 30. Okay, 50. Wrong. Not 50. Okay, 99 and 38. And lastly, 21. Correct. Your answer was 3 out of 5. Your score was 3 out. Maybe it's fine. Okay, you can change update your adding game as much as you like and show it to your friends and family members and say that I made it. Yeah, you made it. You can change anywhere and play with it, please. Okay, so just save it. And then from file, new notebook. Because today we are going to go to a new topic of turtle graphics. Okay, so let's do it. Oh, no. Okay, let's do it. Let's go back. Okay, so we open a new file, and maybe we want to change the name to ex2 because it's kind of season 2 or topic 2. Okay, fine. And then from the, okay. Okay, so actually you need to write something here because it's a bit long. I put it in the description box below. So please copy it from there and paste it. I will do it the same thing here. Okay, it's like this. Okay. Exclamation, bang, pick install ColabTurtle, import ColabTurtle.Turtle as T and initialize Turtle. Okay, let's yeah, after you paste it, just run it. Either pip or pip3 will work. Okay, so when you do it, there are some messages coming up, and when you're ready, there comes a turtle in the center. So we will be drawing using, let this turtle draw something we want. Okay, so let's go to the slide. So first step with turtle graphics. Prepare your turtle graphics. Done. Copy and paste from the description box below. Okay, next, draw a line, t dot forward 200. Okay, so here, what we'll want to do is maybe what we will make some extra boxes and then copy this last line, t.initializeTurtle, and put it here, and then write, yeah, as it said, did forward 200. Good. And then shift enter. Okay, now what we see is turtle is ahead by 200 pixels. Okay, let's continue. Turn left and draw again 200. Okay, so after this we continue it. Dot left to 90 degrees and then forward 200. Okay, let's see what comes out. Okay, go. Okay, as you see, from the starting point, the turtle goes forward by 200 pixels, turn left by 90 degrees, and forward 200. So you can see these two line segments. Very good. Repeat this 4 times to draw a square. Yeah, as you can see, by repeating this 4 times, yeah, so copy this and write in this 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Maybe we will have a square. Let's check. Good, beautiful. Now we have a square, side of which is 200. Okay. Add initialization in the beginning and turn right at the end. So yeah, usually be sure to write this initialization here. And also it says turn right at the end. So add turn t right by 90 degrees. So let's see it. The same as before, but the difference is that now the turtle is looking downward instead of, say, eastward or yeah, rightward. So you can control the direction of the turtle at the end for any time. Okay, so this was the first graphics. Yeah, you can write many things. Continue to draw an equilateral triangle after this. So after this, maybe you want to draw a triangle, regular triangle. So how can you draw a triangle? A hint is that maybe, okay, let's write in the next page. So because it was square, the turtle is going forward here, upward, and then turn by 90 degrees. So you know what a triangle is like. It's like this, regular triangle. And you know this angle is, so meaning that at this point, or any point, the turtle is facing upward. And then you need to turn it some angle. Where is the degree? What is the angle in degree? This. Okay, think about it and repeat it 3 times instead of 4. And check whether you can write a regular triangle as you think. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. And it was a very enjoyable start of drawing. So let's continue next time. Be sure to come back. Okay, bye-bye.